My Aunt Miguelina has a great figure. She's tall with a small with a medium hips. She goes to the gym every morning to exercise. She has a very good routine that has helped her stay fit and healthy. She also eats healthy, balanced foods, low in fat and sugar, and adds protein to the her meals. It's very important. Drink water and take care of our diet to the healthy.